How to recover deleted Gmail accounts? The process is very simple. So first open Chrome browser in your mobile phone. After that, now click on search bar. Now type Gmail account recovery. Now search this. Now click on how to recover your Google or Gmail account. Now scroll down. Now click on this recover your account under recover a deleted account section. After that scroll down. Now click on tip to complete account recovery steps. Now tap on account recovery page. Now type your deleted account. After that click on next button. You will easily log in again on your Gmail account.